Hello, my name is Mark Heslin. I'm a Senior Principal Partner Program Manager for Red Hat, and I'm here today to talk about deploying SQL Server 2017 on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Combined with the reliability, stability, and ease of management that Red Hat Enterprise Linux is so well known for, SQL Server 2017 offers a powerful database value proposition that can't be beat. For systems and database administrators who are new to Linux, deploying SQL Server 2017 on Red Hat Enterprise Linux can seem overwhelming. In reality, deployment is simple, fast, and efficient. The following demo will show just how quickly, simply, and easily it is to deploy. For this demonstration, we'll be using the Developer Edition of Red Hat Enterprise Linux Server version 7.5. The Developer Edition is a fully functional version of Red Hat Enterprise Linux intended for non-production use. For more information, please go to developers.redhat.com. To save time, this host has been previously updated using yum update. There are three components to this demonstration. First, installation of the SQL Server 2017 packages. Next, the installation of the SQL Server command line tool packages. And last, a sample database load and query. First, we need to download the repository file for the server. Next, we'll install the SQL Server packages. In the first phase, the packages are downloaded. In the second phase, the installation of the packages commences. And that completes the installation of the basic database. Next, we need to stop the database daemon itself. This is so we can run the next step, to actually configure and run the setup. The daemon has to be turned off in order to complete this step. During the setup, you're prompted to select an edition of SQL Server. We'll pick number 1, the eval edition, for our purposes here. Next, we'll set a system administrator password. And confirm that. And that completes the installation of the database. We can confirm that the database daemon is running with systemctl status. Next, we'll configure the firewall for remote access on firewall port 1433. We'll activate it for our current sessions by doing a reload, and that completes the installation of the database. Next, we'll pull down the repo file so we can find the packages for the command line tools. Next, we need to remove any old versions of the Unix ODBC drivers. In our case, we had none, so it confirms that. Now we'll install the SQL Server tools and Unix ODBC drivers. We'll be prompted to accept the license terms. Note that it is case sensitive. Next, we need to modify our path by adding MS SQL Tools bin to it. We'll add it to our .bash profile, our .bash RC files, and then we'll sort the .bash RC to make it active for any current sessions moving forward. Next, we'll connect to the database to verify connectivity using SQL command. And here I'm using a stored procedure called by the name of @version. And we can see that it's completed. That completes the installation of the SQL Server command line tools. Now let's load some sample data. I've created a loaddb SQL Server script here. Let's take a look at that. So the data we're using here is using a New Hampshire mountain theme. It's a listing of the 48 peaks from highest to lowest. Let's go ahead and run that script and load the database. We can see that that's completed. Now let's take a look at a query SQL Server script. I've created a script here that does 3 queries. First, it selects all mountains ordered by highest elevation, so it lists from highest to lowest. Next, it does a selection of all mountains ordered by name. It'll list them in ascending alphabetical order. And last, we'll do a targeted selection of mountain peaks where the elevation is between 5,000 and 6,500 feet. Let's run the script. Here we can see the results of that. And that completes our demonstration. As we've just seen from the prior demo, for system and database administrators, deploying SQL Server 2017 on Red Hat Enterprise Linux was simple, fast, and efficient. When combined with the reliability, stability, and ease of management that Red Hat Enterprise Linux is so well known for, SQL Server 2017 offers a powerful database value proposition that can't be beat.